Hi everybody. You are all well aware of the present crisis we are all going through, the COVID-19. You know that is because of a virus, and the virus is so virulent, it is so powerful, it has taken so much of toll all over the world. And especially when you are a vulnerable person with compromised immune system, then you stand a very high chance of getting COVID disease. Of course, now a lot of developments have happened. What was before, about a year before, is definitely not as bad now, because the treatment modalities have been established, the pathologies have been clearly understood, and of course we are now a little bit safer compared to what it is about a year before. But still there are new variants that is appearing day in and day out. So those are all creating a lot of new symptoms which have not been there when it started. So we need to be very careful about this virus infection. Though the virus cannot be seen with the eyes, or even it's very difficult with a normal microscope. You need to have a very high powerful microscope, electron microscope, to view that. But still, they are so powerful, they hijack the whole body and completely devastate the internal system and create death at the end of it. But of course, many people, they go through the disease. People who have good immune system, they overcome the disease and they come out of it. But some small group of people, as you know, that after coming out of this COVID, they land up in a major issues like enormous amount of tiredness, weakness, mental fog, body pain, sometimes infection, recurrent infection, low grade fevers, and many more things. These are called as long COVID symptoms. And people, the common thing what we hear is, people say that my total energy is lost, I am not able to work like what I used to be before. Even 1 hour or half an hour of standing in the kitchen, half an hour of small walking or effort I do in the office, I am exhausted, I need to lie down and take rest. Why is this? The reason is, it zaps all the energies inside the body. Your immune system is completely devastated, and a lot of other things happen in the body which has not been fully understood and identified. Now, how to overcome this? First of all, we also have to really understand, is it only because of the COVID, post-COVID symptoms, or anything coexisting along with that? Because we come across a lot of people who have high diabetes, who have hypertension, who have a lot of other things when they had COVID. They get worse after the COVID symptoms. So we need to be very careful in identifying what is happening. So very good diagnosis through a qualified doctor is very important. There are some good blood tests which can give us the status of your coagulability of the blood, meaning that how the blood is clotting, and what is the capacity of the blood to clot or something like, because clotting inside the blood vessels create stroke and a lot of other complications also. And your inflammatory nature in the body, like we do a test called HSCRP, which is an inflammatory marker, which can give us a very clear indication of how much inflammation you have, and that gives a marker within which we can do the treatment and recheck again and see how much it has come down also. So diagnosis plays a very important role in improving the status. The third most important thing is the treatment. Treatment, how can we do the treatment? Now, there are established modes for dealing with complications of COVID during the crisis period, but post-COVID it is very difficult, is it not? So the thing is, what we need to do is, the first thing is we have to increase the energy level by giving proper nutrition to the body, by doing pranayams where the oxygen is being flooded into the body, and doing some small exercise which can make your body with more oxygen and oxygen utilization. And you have to do a lot of meditation and mind calming technique, because people become very anxious, people become agitated. So by doing this meditation and having a positive outlook towards life, all these things are very important as a treatment. Sometimes all these things are not enough for some people. Some people are so tired and exhausted, even getting out of the bed is very difficult for them. So what do? For those people, we have to give some supplements. Like there are supplements which can enhance the energy system of the body, which can enhance the immune system of the body. So these are all things which can be supplemented. But Unfortunately, this also not help for some people. So what we need to do is, the best way is, we can avoid taking medicine which has lot of difficulties in getting absorbed into the blood. We can do what is called as IV nutrition. IV nutrition is one of the simplest and the fantastic way of energizing your body. Let's say, for example, a multivitamin infusion, or let's say, for example, intravenous high dose vitamin C infusion. These are all things which give phenomenal increase of energy in the body. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant in a specific dose and gives a very good and a very powerful antioxidant effect. Also, the multivitamins, minerals, amino acids, all these things play a very major role in enhancing our energy of the body. Moreover, the immune system is also enhanced by giving proper dosage of vitamin C and micronutrients. So, intravenous vitamin C plays a very major role in enhancing your body, giving you a lot of energy, and you will be back to normal. So, think about it. It is not that you don't have any way. There are good ways with which we can do that. Consult your physician, consult your doctor, consult your family physician, and take a wise choice. At Concept, what we do is, we do the diagnosis properly, address the problem that is there in the patients, and also give intravenous nutrition, bring them back to life. The most important thing is, you will get a feel-good effect with the treatment what we provide at Concept. So, if you are going through this, please come to Concept and get yourself back to track. And also, the most important thing is, for people who are scared of COVID, they can also take intravenous nutrition and enhance their immune system and prevent from falling sick. That's the most important thing. Of course, the natural methods of wearing a mask, avoiding crowded places, and washing your hands, and all these things are imperative. That is a must. That is called as a new normal. You have to go through all these things. But in spite of that, if you have difficulties, you need to follow the methods with which your immune system can be enhanced, because the terrain, your body terrain, is very powerful, that can prevent this organism coming into the body and producing a devastating effect. Protect yourself and relax and be happy and live a happy life.